Welcome back to our channel. You won't believe your eyes when you see the footage we bring to you. From the most powerful forestry machines you've ever seen to the most daring drivers on the planet with their top skills. Let's dive. The Wagner L4130 from 1991 is an absolute beast in action, towering over the logging yard as it unloads a fully loaded timber truck with ease. Its massive frame and powerful hydraulics grip and lift the enormous logs like they're mere twigs, showcasing the machine's sheer strength. This colossal giant, designed to handle the heaviest loads, creates an awe-inspiring sight as it effortlessly moves tons of wood in a single motion. The LKT-81, with its immense strength, hauls massive logs effortlessly through rough terrain. Despite the heavy weight of the timber, this machine powers forward, showing no signs of struggle. Its reliability and raw power make it a true workhorse in the forestry world. '21 is a true titan in the timber yard, effortlessly handling massive logs as it unloads the truck with precision. Its enormous claws grip and move the timber with astonishing strength, showcasing a power that's hard to match. Watching this machine in action is like witnessing a giant at work, dominating the landscape as it maneuvers huge loads with ease and authority. The West Bundle Saw is a powerhouse when it comes to cutting multiple logs at once. Its precision and speed make quick work of even the thickest bundles, slicing through with remarkable efficiency. Whether dealing with large volumes or tough timber, this saw handles the job with ease and accuracy. It's an awe-inspiring scene, a fully loaded logging truck groaning under the weight of massive timber, towing another truck through a treacherous stretch of road. The raw power of the vehicle is on full display as it claws its way forward, defying the odds with each tire turn. Fully loaded logging truck navigates a challenging curve with precision, the massive weight of timber seemingly defying gravity. The driver's expertise is evident as the vehicle hugs the bend, making the tight turn look effortless. It's a thrilling display of control and power as the truck moves smoothly through what could easily be a dangerous maneuver. An awe-inspiring sight unfolds as a heavily loaded logging truck pulls another up a steep hill, battling both gravity and the massive weight of timber. The engines roar in unison, showcasing their raw power, while the lead driver's skill ensures every inch is controlled and steady. Together, the two trucks conquer the daunting slope, a testament to sheer strength and expert handling. The Morbark 30. RXL Slicer is a powerhouse machine designed for efficient, heavy-duty wood processing. Its robust cutting capabilities slice through large logs with ease, reducing even the toughest timber into manageable pieces. This rugged equipment, built for high performance, ensures maximum productivity on the job, making it a go-to choice for forestry professionals looking to streamline their operations. The powerful excavator roars as it gradually pulls a massive log from the ground. With its superior strength and optimized design, it effortlessly conquers the challenge, despite the enormous weight of the log. The large wheels crush the earth beneath the weight, yet maintain an impressive speed and stability throughout the task. A professional tree removal team is hard at work, expertly shredding a massive tree with a high-powered tree shredder. The machine's sharp blades whir through the wood, reducing the once mighty trunk to manageable pieces in no time. With precision and efficiency, the crew showcases their skills, turning a challenging task into a seamless operation, demonstrating the power of modern forestry equipment. A heavily loaded truck skillfully navigates a tight curve, its powerful engine roaring as it leans into the turn. The driver, displaying exceptional control and experience, expertly maneuvers the massive vehicle, ensuring that the hefty load of timber remains secure. With precision and determination, this impressive feat highlights the capabilities of both the truck. A fully loaded truck teeters onto the ferry, the sheer weight of its timber cargo causing the vessel to sway and tremble beneath it. The driver expertly guides the massive truck onto the deck, each movement calculated to maintain balance as the ferry shifts under the heavy load. As the truck comes to a halt, the rhythmic rocking of the ferry serves as a reminder of the immense power and responsibility that comes with transporting such heavy materials across the water. Brave drivers maneuver their fully loaded trucks along a perilous road, flanked by steep hills on either side. Each twist and turn demands precision and nerves of steel as the heavy timber sways, threatening to shift the balance of the vehicle. The sheer drop on one side adds an adrenaline rush to the already challenging journey, showcasing the skill and courage required to transport such valuable cargo through treacherous terrain. The Comptech wood chipper is a powerhouse in the world of wood processing. designed for efficiency and durability. With its robust construction and high-performance capabilities, this machine effortlessly transforms large volumes of wood into finely shredded chips, ready for a variety of applications. Its innovative design ensures a smooth operation, making it a favorite among professionals who demand reliability and performance in their forestry equipment. The M&J 4000 shredder is a formidable piece of machinery, known for its exceptional shredding power and versatility. Engineered to handle various materials, it excels in reducing wood waste, construction debris, and other tough materials into manageable pieces. With a user-friendly design and efficient operation, this shredder not only boosts productivity, but also enhances material recovery, making it an invaluable asset for recycling and waste management industries.